Okay, guys, so you're welcome to the YouTube channel, and I just thought to show you guys what to watch out for and how to identify trades easily. Okay, now this is my trading view, and as you can see, most of the pairs that I trade are opened. So let me show you guys the way to how I identify and I look out for setups. Okay, now this is it. One, you have to learn to train your eyes to be able to see the setups. Okay, because the market makers will not allow these chart patterns print for you to see easily, and that's the major reason why I post setups here, so that you can learn from those patterns, and once you see them repeat themselves, you can be able to identify them and take the trades. Right now, this is what I do. um of course, you guys know that we always have our Asian range indicator. Okay, it would have given us our Asian range, and let's assume for a sell setup now, for example. In fact, there's no need for me to put all those diagrams. Now this right here is our Asian range indicator. Let me just make it clear so that you can see and understand. Okay, so let's assume the Asian range indicator showed us Asian. Okay, the Asian markets did all of this before we had breakout, right? Now once it is London and I see market breaking out from my Asian range, I don't do anything, guys. In fact, let me just add here, most trading the market maker buy or sell module, most of the times your setups will complete. Take note, guys, your setups will form most of the time, like 70% of the times during New York, let's say around 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time and above. Are you guys getting it? In fact, expect 70% of your setups, 60-70% of your setups from 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time till, let's say, 5 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, so for a sell setup, the first thing you want to ensure is your order flow from your H4 time frame. H4 time frame for a sell setup has to be bearish. Okay, so if I check my H4 candle, H4 time frame, and I see that we are having a bearish market structure. When I mean bearish market structure, this is what I mean by bearish market structure. I want to see that my H4 time frame, the market is doing something like this. Are you seeing this movement? The market can even do something like this and come back again. I don't have any issues with that, but you want to see the market breaking market structure to the downside. Are you seeing the way? Let me label it so that you guys can see. Can you see the way the lows were being taken out? That is what you want to see in your H4 time frame. Once you see this happening, market taking out liquidity to the downside, once you see all of this happening in your 4 hours time frame, then you can now start watching out for a sell setup in your 15 minutes time frame. So let's assume we checked in our H4 and we saw all of this happening. The market was trending to the downside. Okay, that's number one. It means you can now go to your 15 minutes time frame and watch out for a sell setup. So what I do most times is I don't even bother checking for my H4 time frame, because the first thing I want to first see is the module, the market maker module chart pattern print. So this right here is our Asian range indicator. So once I open my chart, I want to see the market give me the market maker buy sell module. That's for a sell. Now I want to see that setup form above my Asian range indicator, somewhere around here. Once I see the pattern form and all of that, the change of character, the liquidity sweep, the tap into a supply zone, and the change of character, that is when I now fall back to my H4 time frame or my 1 hour time frame to see and ensure that I am having a bearish market movement. Once I see this on my 4 hours time frame, it now validates that the setup I saw form above my Asian is very much valid. That is when I now take the trade. Are you getting it? If I see my setup form, okay, above my Asian range, I see my setup form. When I mean my setup, liquidity sweep, tap into a supply zone, and a change of character. Once I see this happening above my Asian range, and to sorry guys, let me just show you guys what I mean. And I come to my higher time frame, which is my 4 hours time frame. and I see the market doing this. Let me show you. And I see the market doing something like this in H4. I see the market doing something like this in H4. Guys, stay clear of such setups. If you see a sell setup form above your Asian eye and your 4 hours or your 1 hour is giving you break of structure to the upside, trending up, that is a B plus setup. That is not an A plus setup, which will most likely fail. You will most likely eat a sell. Are you getting the point now? So the first thing you want to just identify is once you see the market maker module setup form above or below your Asian range, your final confirmation is your higher time frame. So you must follow the order flow from your higher time frame. Do you guys understand now? So this is the secret to sieving out invalid setups. Now that does not mean sometimes that you won't eat SL. There's no strategy that does not eat SL, no matter how good the strategy is. In fact, no matter how much you follow the order flow, sometimes from higher time frame, you will still eat SL. This is what most forex mentors won't tell you, most forex traders won't tell you, but that's just the reality of trading. Your setups can be a lot more perfect than you even thought it could have been, but the trade will still eat itself. That's the market for you. But the thing is, because the strategy has an edge over the market, you will win most of your trades. So that is why it's always good to follow the higher time frame order flow. If the market is ranging, is trending in the higher time frame, let's assume your H4, the market is bearish. Only take bearish market order flow, market sell setups from your 15 minutes time frame. Are you getting it? If on your higher time frame it is bullish, only take buy modules, don't take a sell setup. Okay, it will increase your win rate percentage above 50%. This is one secret people don't know. There are some people that just trade this market maker modules blindly because you just see the market maker module form and you just dive in and just take the two without going up to your higher time frame to see what the order flow right there is doing, if it's in line with that setup. This is one secret that will help you a lot and sieve out bad trades from your trading the market maker buy or sell module. So I thought to show you guys, this is the secret to profitability. This is the secret to consistency, guys. And that's why if you notice in this channel, I always drop my videos. I always drop setups so that you can learn from them and train your eyes to spot them when they happen. So if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, I really don't know why you're wasting time. I give you guys value on this YouTube channel and you already know. So please do want to subscribe to this channel, like the video so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend it to other forex traders like you, and make use of the comment section. Let's interact on this channel. If you have questions, ask me and I'll reply to you ASAP. Okay, thank you very much for taking our time to watch this video from beginning to the end, and I'm sure that once you start applying all that I taught on this video, it's going to help your trading and enhance your profitability and consistency. Okay, so thank you very much for your time and see you in the next video. Bye.